This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a very popular Japanese dish, Gyudon or beef rice bowl. I have here 300 grams of thinly sliced beef, which we will use for this dish. Slice 1 white onion, put 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan over medium to low heat. Now, sweat the onions by frying it in this low heat till it's soft and translucent. Now, turn up the heat to medium and fry the beef till it's no longer pink. Pour in 100 ml of sake, 100 ml of mirin, and this is 50 ml of soy sauce with 50 ml of water. If you have dashi stock, use dashi stock instead of water. Add in another 2 teaspoons of sugar. This combination of ingredients is the same as my homemade teriyaki sauce. So if you have done that already, just put in 200 ml of teriyaki sauce together with 50 ml of water or dashi stock. If you would like to make your own teriyaki sauce, I'll leave the link in the description below and the card above. Let this simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, beat up 3 eggs. Pour the eggs onto the ingredients in the pan and let it cook until it's almost set. Turn off the heat. Do not wait for the eggs to be fully cooked before you turn off the heat, as the eggs will continue to cook in the pan after you remove the pan from the stove. Serve this over rice. This is a popular Japanese dish, beef rice bowl.